Welcome to the mix, and on the mix is Erica. Now, Erica is going off because her family seem to need, clothes and stuff for her brother. And Erica is letting them know that they didn't bring anything to her. So she's addressing that issue. So just go ahead and like, share, and comment. Thank you.
Leave it. I terrorize them. I terrorize your soul, you know. One make I put up. You know my number. So see blood clot phone, yeah. Carleen Root. Carleen nasty dirty suckled Rosie. Carleen. And talk, cause we need to mind me. Talk what you put out here. And what you give. And I want to either mind me and none of you no have a room at Jamaica. So come, make we talk. Paul did up the long time. Long time Paul in the pan road. Long time. So if you say you send $120, $80, hour $150, any money where you send come here, me take the receipt and send come give you when the medication them blood clot by. Yes. And me use money and make up because for your dollar could never buy medication. So post it up on Facebook. You're bringing in Facebook, so put it on Facebook. So could Rosie. Come. Because you name out the whole island them in England and come back to Jamaica and suffer. I'm going to come for. Me didn't know I write you say to reach, you know. After me in my bed I sleep, una call. When me what me I wanna hang up. Me answer you can ask me about clothes where who care make I hear them. Paper when me pick up blood clot Paul. Paul did come here with bag of bumbo clot clothes. Hey paper, Paul did come here with clothes. When me pick up Paul uptown and I did see Paul come here with things. Here where the bumbo will them hard and me fi do. Rain a fall, you know. And me work hard yesterday, you know, I lie down, you know, cause me wake up and wash. See there? Me wake up and wash. And I lie down now because I be a rascal rain. Where the boat? That's why I don't have no family, I don't like no blood clot. You don't leave me alone, you know. Don't try like you don't want blood clot terrorize me. Don't try like you don't want terrorize me. Don't terrorize me. Don't terrorize me. You understand? Me wake up this morning 9:21 people. This is it. Hold on, make we turn you. Me don't know what make you phone low, so hold on. Cause me not have nothing bumbo clot hide from nobody. Me don't say no receipt when it's something them buy. I want to see everyone say, I don't want no receipt. Eh? And me tell you, say me carry a juicy beef with the change. In can't tell you if you need me taste or no. Please come and kiss out my raw soul. Come give me order for go where. Did see me carry nothing come here with him. Who the fire see me and make money off of Paul? When the people come and take set from blood clot, me give off the hand. Who is you if you wake up and come tell me, say? Morning. Me not understand all this low, so. Me not understand all the low, so a blood clot. You look at me, I get sitting for play it, man. Brethren, you sitting low your fart and the rain a fall. The low man and the rain a tear out back. Where them people are not left me alone? Leave me alone! None of you no carry drawers come here, come give me no please leave me alone. You know what I make we go in here so go see if you can blood clot. Contrast you out pan live. Post up your bumper ass clot receipt them because me have drawers and whatsoever I want to have here. Post them up on social media, make people see them. How much thousands of dollars you send come here? You don't have a room, a blood clot Jamaica fi come in here. But you have mind me. What out of the ras? Everything where you send come here when me buy medication, me post them to you. Friggin' out of when you come put up on I put up on ya. And when you not send the voice note, them send them where people can't hear them. Me think of something good me I do to rascal. Now them a people that come and terrorize me all out of me sleep. No time me beg so.
I know your clothes them me want to know the clothes with.
This is a different one. Hold on, we are starting from where we start from. That is the third one.
Erica, don't give nobody no money. No. Sophia Karen.
Alright, me I go play all them the too. Cause me that care about the blood clot money.
Morning, Erica. I wrote. Ask you please if you could pack up the things and perhaps pile up down here, please. And carry them go left front a big yard. On the veranda, please. Okay, thank you very much. I'm asking, please. Can you do that? Okay, thank you. If not, you let somebody come. Call and let somebody come and pick it up down by your house. Or can you leave it up when you come feed? Feed the people and just leave it around the army lane, please. On the veranda.
Alright. No. Have anybody ever seen me around the army lane, woman? Woman, frown don't know me. Frown don't know me. Me know me ever come out the yard? Eh? Frown don't know me in a Port Antonio. You ever see me around a big yard where I broke down around there where one bamboo tick for blood clot put you up? You never see me around there? Me grew in a town. Me and Paul have seen mother. You can't say me ever come out the yard, not one day. Me never pick up Paul out the yard. Me pick up Paul a road. And I'm one time me go see man around and never go feel him. Which clothes? When I ask me about clothes where Sophia can't come here. Sophia come out. Come tell them say you no care nothing come here, come give me. Me go there a while ago, the bag where you give Paul. Father's Day. See him where he come here. I see him where he out there. Me just take the picture a while ago. Just take the picture. People see the ras bag here where Sophia blood clot care come here for Paul. See it there? See him where you remember that bag your Father's Day where she went tie up in her hand? You remember a picture when tie up in her hand? See the bag there? There's something them in the same way. Same way. You know when you have some big old dirty sour blood clot nasty man a foreign, big and fat, and them the clothes that you don't have to get 10 thread a blood roller thread, a machine for soap them if it come down to Paul's size. See him like how he bag come here. I see him where you out the car out of the barrel. See there? Out of the barrel.